Hello everyone. In this short video, I'm going to teach you the top 3 reasons why students miss these problems evaluating expressions with exponents. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you the number 1 reason students miss these problems and a simple but powerful way you can overcome this. The first thing students do wrong is that they try to use a shortcut they don't understand. Teach, come here. Hey, can I come up there? I think I know what to do here. I know a shortcut. Yeah, shortcut. It's in my gut, you know. Here we go. Let me show you what I would do here. You see these 2's right here? Yeah, you see a little bitty dot? It means multiply. You take the 3, dot 3. What's 3 times 3? 9, yeah. And then 2 times, okay, keep the 2's. 2 to the 9th. What'd I tell you? I know shortcut. Am I right or am I right? All right, so the regular way to handle exponents is actually just to use this concept of expanding the exponent. I mean, picture this out. An exponent tells you have a certain number of the factors below. So this means you have 3 2's and the little bitty number, you know, compared to 3 times 2, which is repeated addition. There's 3 2's repeatedly being added. 3 2's, little bitty 3 tells you have 3 2's connected by the little bitty dot. And so if we have 3 more 2's down here, we could say that we have 2.2.2, and that would give us, oh, don't say it, it's 2 to the 6th. There's 6 2's. Not a bad idea. You see, it would be 2 to the 6th if the directions said to simplify. But they didn't. They said to evaluate.
Hey, Johnny. Hate to pull rank on you here today, bud, but the feds, they've called me here today and they've asked me to evaluate the situation, the factors here, just kind of work them out and find the total. Okay, so that's why I'm here. Okay, first off, my name's not Johnny, and I don't even know if we have a situation around here. Who did you say sent you again?
Evaluate really just means to work it out or find the total value. Oh, I get it. Here, let me work it out. I got this in my head, Teach. Let me do this for you. Ready? Here we go, everybody. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. 32 times 2, 64. And 2 times 64 is 128. 128! Yeah, that's wrong. Sorry, wrong. What? Why? Math is stupid, and I can't even do it. No, just listen. You're using your brain's limited amount of energy to do unnecessary things, which is causing you to miss it more. Oh. Yeah, I don't have a clue what you're talking about. Hey, look, whatever you don't write down, your brain has to spend energy memorizing. Write it down, and your brain has all that more energy to spend just computing numbers. And you won't make any silly mistakes trying to remember the numbers that you didn't write down. Here, watch. My brain will spend no energy memorizing things. What's 2 times 2 times 2? Okay, it's 8. And what's 2 times 2 times 2 over here? Okay. See, these little funnels help me see what I've multiplied, so I don't have to worry about memorizing how many 2's I've multiplied. Now let's bring down this dot, and 8 times 8 would give us 64. This is our evaluated answer. 2 to the 6th is our simplified answer. I'm glad you asked. Look, this last problem with division, if we use the same method, it takes away the memory from the problem. So we've expanded the exponent Now let's reduce things. When you're dividing, we know that 3 divided by 3 reduces to 1. Multiplying by 1 doesn't change anything. So some people just say they cancel out, but they really just reduce. We cancel out the rest of them, and we look at what's left, and if there's nothing left on top, we could say there's a 1. And our final answer would just be 1 over, and then we got to multiply 3 threes. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Hey, if this video has helped you understand why you might be getting these wrong. Oh, I get it now. Or maybe just giving you a much needed laugh. And would you help an extroverted math teacher like me in a classroom all by myself find a little bit of fuel by making a comment below how this has helped you? If you'd like to see more of these videos, would you go ahead and click subscribe? And if you got a friend who just needs a laugh or maybe a little bit of help, would you share this video to him or her? Hey, I hope you learned the top 3 reasons why students get these problems wrong. Now let's fly.
Could I see that badge one more time? It looked like it was made out of duct tape and tin foil. I'm going to choose to ignore that thing I just heard in my lovely ears. Kids these days want to see my badge.